Ladies and gentlemen, here we are in Photoshop, and first of all, of course, like literally every episode of editing your photos, I have to mask this guy out. So let's go ahead and start kind of right here and go all around this guy. You guys know how much I love this. This is by far my favorite thing to do. And there you go, absolutely gorgeous. I guess we can put him kind of right there. Seems like a nice spot because down here we're going to put a beautiful ground. To be exact, this one right here, I'm going to sort of put that right here. Now I want the background to be dark already because at the end it is going to be quite a dark sort of atmospheric place. And then to make this landscape look a little bit more interesting and more detailed, I'm going to add a bunch of these rocks to the background like so. And one of these right here somewhere. I don't even know. It's kind of random. And also on the front here, maybe some of these big ones as well. Ooh, I like the way that looks. Ladies and gentlemen, as you may have suspected, this guy is going to be surrounded by a bunch of flying rocks, and then there's going to be light from above. Well, I mean, obviously. And it's going to look very nice and mystical and cool. So let's see. Let's first go and add some effects to the background sky using this. This is from my Optics Plus library. If you want to buy this, make sure to click the link down below in my description. You can get these and a bunch of other cool overlays like particles and whatnot. So check it out.